Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread without eggs. First, let's look at some excellent egg alternatives. Mashed banana or applesauce can add moisture and bind ingredients effectively. You can also use a flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. This mixture creates a gel-like consistency that mimics an egg's binding properties, ensuring your cornbread holds together beautifully. Choose the substitute that best fits your desired flavor profile. Now, let's talk about your core ingredients and mixing technique. For a standard batch, combine 1 cup of cornmeal with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar for a touch of sweetness, along with baking powder and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together your chosen egg substitute, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or oil. Gently combine the wet and dry mixtures until just moistened, avoiding overmixing for a tender crumb. Achieving the perfect texture is crucial for delicious cornbread. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour your batter into a greased 8 by 8-inch baking pan or a cast iron skillet. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. To test for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cornbread is ready. Allow it to cool slightly before slicing and serving for the best results. Once your egg-free cornbread is baked to golden perfection, it's time to enjoy. Serve it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili or stew. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or frozen for longer enjoyment. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals. This versatile cornbread is sure to become a staple in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.